Hey everyone, for this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use this particular tool in ChatGPT Canvas that could make your text or your draft longer. Perfect for when your writing feels a little too short or underdeveloped. Okay, now where is it? Let me show you. Now start by moving your cursor, which is this one right here. Just follow this one down to the lower right corner of your Canvas screen, down here, and so, move to the pencil icon, like so. Now, when you move this over, a panel of 4 tool icons will appear, like this. It just popped up vertically. Now look for the one with an up and down arrow and 3 stacked line on the right. That's the adjust the length tool. Just click it and you'll see a slider right here turn into a slider. There we go. Now, technically, this is where you can either make your text shorter or longer, but today we're focusing on expanding your draft. To do that, you can just slide the one upward like this one. You can make it longer or make it the longest. And then once you're satisfied with either of these, you can just release the slider and it will instantly turn into a send button. Then click send. And within just a few seconds, ChatGPT right here will process and make your draft even longer and more fuller than your original version of your draft right here. There we go. See how it's added up a few more details and such. There we go. See, there's more additionals and another one section right here. And it's added a conclusion. And yeah, that is it. Just a few clicks and ChatGPT right here. Look at that. It just made it even more improved and more longer than your previous version of your draft. And yeah, that's about it. So whether you're fleshing out a summary, adding context, or just trying to hit that word count, well, the Make Longer tool, aka the Adjust the Length option right here in Canvas, makes it super easy. Now, if you find this video helpful overall, don't forget to subscribe to get you notified whenever we post a new video. And also, smash that like button that will help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you next time. Bye.